If you're a small business owner who feels like you're doing everything right, yet you're still unsure about your numbers, then you're in the right place. Welcome to Small Business Accounting 101. My name is Lisa, and I've spent decades helping business owners understand what their numbers actually mean. This channel is not about complicated accounting rules, or it's not about doing things the perfect way. It's about clarity. It's about knowing your cash flow, knowing what's normal and what's not. Here we focus on the things that matter to small business owners: cash flow, financial reports, and making smart decisions with your money. You don't need to be an accountant. You don't need fancy software, and you don't need to feel overwhelmed. These videos are designed to be calm, practical, and easy to follow, even if you've always been intimidated by accounting. And if you want simple tools that you can actually use, check the links below for free checklists and resources. I'm glad you're here. Let's make your numbers feel manageable and your business more confident.